So how can we start on this path of awakening? Let's draw inspiration from the wisdom of those who have walked this path before us. Mystics encourage deep introspection. This means examining our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, like peeling away the layers of conditioning to uncover our true nature. Also, the power of meditation and contemplation. These practices help quiet the noise of the mind, allowing us to connect with our inner essence and experience a profound sense of being. And again, the ego, the illusion of who we are, and realizing that the ego is a construct of the mind, it enables us to break free from its grasp and liberate our thinking from self-centeredness. We come to a state of unity consciousness. It's about understanding our place in the grand tapestry of the universe and moving beyond narrow self-interest. Journeying further into awakening, even deeper shifts occur in our lives. A deep sense of inner peace becomes a constant companion. We shed the masks and facades we once wore. It fosters empathy and compassion. We gravitate towards simplicity, finding contentment in the present moment, rather than chasing after material possessions or external validation. Our mental clarity and focus sharpen, and we develop a deeper sense of gratitude for the beauty of reality. Life becomes a thing that happens for us, not to us. To understand the true power of awakening, let's contrast life in the shadows without purpose with a life aligned with the higher self. In the shadows, life is a repetitive and colorless journey. We stumble through each day, driven by external demands and societal expectations. There's a constant sense of emptiness, a gnawing feeling that something essential is missing. Yet a life aligned with the higher self is vibrant and purposeful. It's a journey guided by intuition and inner wisdom. Each day is an opportunity to express authenticity and connect with the deep sense of being within. And there's an enduring sense of fulfillment and a deep understanding of one's purpose. In the shadows, awakening is but a distant dream, a concept shrouded in obscurity. Life plods on without direction or meaning, leaving us disconnected from our true potential. Yet on the path of awakening, life is illuminated with clarity. Intuition becomes our guiding light, directing us towards choices and experiences that align with our higher self. You see, awakening is not a distant dream, it's a lived reality, a constant unfolding of our true nature. Let these words of wisdom guide us. The greatest discovery of any generation is that a human can alter his life by altering his attitude. Awakening is not about changing who you are, but discarding who you are not. And the privilege of a lifetime is to become who you truly are. May these insights inspire you, and as we contemplate the vast panorama of human existence, observing the slumbering masses like sheep in a dream, unaware and misled by the illusions of the world, we are reminded of the deep slumber of ignorance that has enveloped humanity. This age of darkness, where truth is obscured and trust betrayed, has kept us shackled to the illusions of the past. In our quest for awakening, we unveil a deep truth. Beyond the illusions of the material world lies a boundless realm of spiritual potential, waiting to be explored and embraced. This unseen realm holds the keys to our liberation, offering us the wisdom and guidance to transcend the limitations of the past. As we awaken to our true nature, we become beacons of light in a world shrouded in darkness. With each step forward, we illuminate the path for others to follow, inspiring them to cast off their shadows of ignorance and join us in a journey towards a brighter tomorrow. The alarm clock's gone off. The time for slumber is over. The time for awakening is now. Let us rise together, hand in hand, and claim our rightful place as guardians of the new earth. Humanfluence, out.